Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you the best way to wash your strawberries. So the things that you're going to be needing are about 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt, a pack of strawberries, a bowl of room temperature water, a spoon, and a paper towel. So let's get on with the video. So the first thing that you're going to be doing is you're going to be pouring your salt into your bowl of water. So I'm going to just pour my salt. Try to get the salt to be dissolved as much as possible. So I'm just going to stir that up with your spoon. If you'd like, you can also use about 3 to 4 tablespoons of vinegar. You can add that on with your salt as well. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to drop in our strawberries into our bowl. After you put in all your strawberries, you're just going to rinse out this container. Now that you rinsed out your container, you're going to let this set for about 15 to 30 minutes. If you'd really like to, you can leave it up to 1 hour. So it's been about 15 to 30 minutes, and now I'm going to be showing you what to do for the next step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the container that I have washed and I'm going to scoop out my strawberries. So now you can see how dirty the water is. It has like different kind of particles and stuff. So I'm just gonna pour out this water now. After that, you're gonna rinse out this container. Then you're gonna fill it about 3/4 of the way. Now I'm going to grab my strawberries again and just dump them inside the water. After that, you're just going to use your hands and rinse out the strawberries. Now I'm just going to pour out the water. Now you're going to individually rinse each of the strawberries and put them back into your container. You can see that even after I rinsed out the water before, there still is leftover particles, so I'm going to pour it out. Rinse out the bowl again. Now you can dump back your strawberries back in the bowl again. I'm going to show you how you're going to pat them down dry and you're going to set them inside the container again to put back in the fridge. So here are my strawberries that have been fully washed and properly cleaned. So now what we're going to be doing is you're going to be patting down your strawberries dry to put them into the container. So you're going to grab each of your strawberries and just pat them down so that there's no more water left over. then what you're gonna do is you're gonna place a paper towel at the bottom of your container, just like that. And then you're gonna organize your strawberries. So at the point where you've filled up your entire first straw, you're gonna grab another paper towel and you're gonna place it right above all of the rest of the strawberries. Now you can place your last piece of paper towel at the top of all the strawberries. Then you can close your container. So our strawberries are fully washed, fully clean, and they're perfect and ready to be put inside the fridge. These could last up to about 3 weeks without getting spoiled. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more. Thanks for watching. Bye!